Several thousands of migrant workers from different states took to the roads when they lost their jobs and ran out of money. The migrant workers believed that anyone who was affected with the virus would ultimately die. This led to a mass exodus of workers desperate to get home within 3 days of lockdown 1.0. The Indian Railways has been gearing up to run 300 Shramik special trains every day at short notice, after several thousands of migrant workers from different states took to the roads when they lost their jobs and ran out of money. The migrant workers believed that anyone who was affected with the virus would ultimately die. This led to a mass exodus of workers desperate to get home within 3 days of lockdown 1.0. They felt that it was better to die amongst their own people than in a place where they did not belong. They were so desperate that some got into container trucks, some in portable concrete mixers, milk tankers just to get home. Most of them walked for hundreds of kilometers with luggage and children, in scorching sun, only to be stopped at the borders by the police in the initial stages. The problem continued for days together and the government was silent for a very long time. The government finally got into action after several days through the lockdown. Though the delay caused the spread of the COVID-19 virus, a social distancing, the key to the containment of the spread, was not maintained. There were incidents when over 1,000 migrant workers gathered together trying to get home, also due to the spread of misinformation that transportation had been arranged for them. Many fell victim to the coronavirus and many suffered and still are even now. 16 migrant workers were run over by a freight train as they were unaware and had fallen asleep on the tracks. 5 migrant workers were killed and 11 injured when the truck they were traveling in overturned. There seems to be no end to their plight. Out of jobs, no money, uncertainty, no food. They are also citizens of India, one of the biggest democracies. Then why have they been so neglected in this pandemic? Is it because they are poor? Or is it that because they are labor class, they don't matter? Many of them have been pushed out of their rented accommodation by the landlords. How heartless can we all be? Even after so much of reporting on the migrant workers' plight in the media, the politicians who they voted to power were silent. But politics played at the background and the migrant worker became an issue to play around with among our leaders, both in the center as well as the states. Their true colors showed like bright lights. Now, the politicians are worried as the situation has gone out of their hands and they have suddenly become all for the migrant workers. Well, it's the vote bank without which they are nowhere and elections are not very far away. They need the votes more than ever now. The migrant workers issue has thrown light on the how good is our democracy as the poor migrant worker remains helpless as always.